How to make a game in Rezona AI. So here's viral Rezona AI app where, it's like Instagram, but actually there are not posts, there are other people games made with AI. And people just can play them, they can like them, share them, and you can go viral. But again, these are kind of AI game experiences, and it's super easy to create a game yourself. Just tap plus in the bottom, create a game. Let's try it out. There is also AI suggestion. So all types of games, you can just pause them, generate them. You can create, add sounds, memes, features. But yeah, let's do it without prompt. So so which kind of game is like so? So for example, and then you can see this how it works. It's kind of yeah, you just have it's in a chat, like in chat GPT or cloud code, whatever. But it's very simplified. Of course, you can generate multiple versions, you can refine it, and it just says you can keep cooking in the background. Because for some apps, there are a lot of apps in this category right now. So for some apps, it can take like 10-20 minutes. So, but yeah. So it's still cooking. So it was like 5-7 minutes. So yeah, it's just taking some time. So finally, here is the game. And as you can see, it's quite good result, to be honest. Everything is working, no bugs. There are a lot of features. It's not like super basic. Of course, you can just add in the bottom chat, you can add more customizations, but you can see it's quite a good result just from one prompt. And prompt wasn't that specific. It was actually quite easy, just kind of literally one sentence prompt. Yeah. Yeah, I can see myself playing it sometimes. Of course, you can just, make multiple levels and all of that. But yeah, it's kind of crazy that now you can just actually do this. Um, and then basically you can just tap to post it. You can refine it. You can add it to public games, public for play only. Anyone can play but cannot remix. And then only me. So if you tap public, it means everyone can play it, but also people can use it to generate the further variations. Um, that's something like that when you just created a game in here. So something like that, you just created, and that's what it is. Then you can just see how many followers you get, how many swipes you get. Yeah, you can see some people playing like getting like 3,000 likes, 2,000 likes yet. No, it's like you can some people top searches, you can see 40,000 searches. I show speed. There are some creators which are using this, and people start to play. There are multiple hashtags, kind of like TikTok. So you're just using hashtag, and you're creating the game for this. For this, you can see top rising games, top games, and so on. So pretty cool. So definitely the cool app. So check it out. As you can see, super easy. It's literally built the complete game from one prompt. I didn't even need to refine anything. It was quite good from the first start. When you tried this to do this kind of like a year ago, you needed to enter like 5 prompts, refine all of the details because it was glitchy. Now the AI is getting really good because yeah, you can literally create a game with one prompt, and it's working. Of course, it's quite basic. Of course, you can add much more advancements later, but it's literally one prompt, and it takes like 5-7 minutes to generate it. So check it out.